to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, Sumo Squats. Number 3, Russian Twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is hop right in place, and then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this, and then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth, okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So, if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down. You're gonna kick your feet out. Okay, bring your feet in, and then jump up. Okay, that's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Just go this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump. Okay. If you want to make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, put your feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Feel your heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats, open those feet up and go, squat. Again, wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep up the work, my friends. Remember, our new saying, okay, just finish. Wherever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down to this Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. And we're tapping each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. 5 more seconds. All right, let's go with those burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. Actually, push the floor. Step, step. Show you the step up points. The next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anyway. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. I haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. Alright. Again, we're going to start with number 1, X's. 2 Sumo Squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm going to add that push-up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finish. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, Sumo Squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees, last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.